Demo, we're going to learn how to have multiple layers in After Effects. So right now what I have is a triangle that's going to come from the left, stop in the middle, and then grow rather quickly. So I scaled it. If we look at our keyframes right here, um, we can see my position goes from one to the other, and then it starts scaling pretty quickly. I'm actually going to extend this keyframe out, so I'm just clicking and dragging it so it scales a little slower. So I'll play it real quick for you. I can move this because it already scales well past the screen right around here. So what I want to do now is have this same thing happen, but with a black triangle. So if I want to have it exactly the same, I click on my shape layer and I hit Command D. This will duplicate my layer below it. So I can now go to my keyframes and everything is happening at the exact same way. And this is great, but we can't see it because it's all the same color. So I'm going to change my fill to black. And then I need to move my actual layer over to the right so it starts where the other one ends. So I'm going to line my marker up right with this keyframe right here and then just drag over this layer. So now when we watch it, it should line up just how we want it to. So it moves over, it scales up, and then now our next one plays through. Let's say though that after this one, I wanted a rectangle coming over. I can't duplicate it because then that will bring over a triangle. What you need to do is control click down here at the bottom left, or go to layer, new, and add a new shape layer. Now we can go ahead and draw that rectangle wherever we want it. I'm going to fill it with green. And I'm going to move this one over to the right. So it will come in from the right. And then I can go to transform. We're going to keyframe our position. Oh, forgot one step. Before I keyframe, don't forget that we have to change our anchor point. So go to that layer, transform, center anchor point, or remember for you guys it's Command Option and then Home. Now I can position or keyframe our position, move our marker over, drag our position. So we have that starting point. Now we have an end point. And then once it's here, I'm going to scale it up. So keyframe our scale, move that timer over, and right about here, I want it to grow so it fills our whole screen. So let's watch this and see how it looks. So it grows, and then the black one starts, and that grew, and now my rectangle will come over. And that will grow nice and slow. Perfect. So now that that's all set, I can go to File, Save As, and make sure we save it so we don't lose any of this. So I'm going to name it Demo. Remember to choose that folder that you created for this project. So Desktop, and I'm going to put this under the Art Department logo and hit Save. And now my file is saved, so we can come back tomorrow and continue to work.